Hello everyone, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. I've never used the INSTAPOT before. Melissa's still at work. I want to try to do a chuck roast with potatoes and carrots, and we're about to give it a try. Well, I put the INSTAPOT on saute, which is the closest thing to sear. And I put in a tablespoon about of vegetable oil. I'll let this heat up and I'm just going to saute this. I'm going to do a chuck roast in here. And I hope it turns out really good. I think it will. Hardest thing for me is just figuring out how to use the INSTAPOT because I've never done it before. So I'm just going to do that for like 3 minutes on each side is what it said. Now I have to add 1 can of beef broth here. I don't know how. It's not too bad. I'm sorry, 1 can. That said 1 3/4 cup, so that's about a can. Then I'm going to put this roast back in here. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, or this is granulated garlic. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And about 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, because Melissa likes that. So I turned it on manual, because I have about a 2 3/4 pound roast and I want this to cook for about 55 minutes. Well, I washed up about 1.5 pounds of little potatoes. We actually had some little ones. If we wouldn't have, I would have just cut some smaller pieces. And then I want to put in 3 large carrots. Save this for the chickens. Alright, that's done, so now I'm going to wait 10 minutes to let it pressure down by itself, and then I'm going to release the pressure. We're going to pull it and put the vegetables in. I don't think it needs anything. I just want this to go for 4 minutes. And I made sure to put this back in the seal position. Once this little thing pops up, then the timer starts, but until it gets up to pressure, the timer doesn't come on. So the 4 minutes is up, and now I have to let it sit and depressurize by itself for 10 minutes. But while I'm doing that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it with 2 tablespoons of water. And then once we open it, we'll pull everything out and we will whisk this in, and it will thicken out all that juice and make a nice gravy. So once this is done, I'll take the meat and the veggies out and put them in here. And normally people would put them into a nice pretty platter, but I'm just throwing it straight into the Tupperware. Now I just turned it on to saute. I'm just going to whisk this until it thickens up. So I let that boil in there for about 10 minutes. You could leave it in longer if you want it thicker, but that's not too bad. Well, there we have it. Instapot chuck roast, potatoes. Potatoes are soft, carrots are soft. The meat is just like fall apart, like you could pull it apart. Very tender, very flavorful. It's going to be really good. A couple potatoes and carrots and some meat on your plate and some gravy over it. That's going to be awesome. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. What do you usually say? Like, comment, subscribe? Anything else?
Share.
And share. I will see you guys on the next video.